Hey guys, who wants to make the ultimate, I mean the ultimate egg sandwich? Here at Antunes, we make the Egg Station. We make a variety of them, but this one is a mini Egg Station, 3-inch egg rings, hoodless, ventless cooktop. We're doing an egg sandwich today with a little bit of sweet Swiss cheese, a little bit of honey ham, fig jam, spinach, Roma tomatoes, and we're gonna tip that off with a little bit of a reduction of balsamic on a Hawaiian bagel bun. The ES600 Egg Station we are going to load. So the first time you use your egg station in the morning, you want to coat it with a little bit of coating spray. Now the thing is, you may do this only once or twice in the morning. Once it's set, once you've ran a couple of cycles, you are not going to grease it the rest of the day. We are going to take 6 perfect eggs, medium eggs, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So we are going to crack each egg into its own little mold to make the perfect, consistent breakfast sandwiches every time. This is a perfect appliance for a QSR or C-store, actually. Anybody that can put together a nice breakfast sandwich without having a whole lot of trained culinary. So we got those. All we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna break that yolk just because we just don't want one big bite of yolk. So that's the only reason we do that. As you see, the bottom's cooking to the bottom. We're going to shut it. The trick to this machine right here is a water trough. This comes with this bottle, comes with the spatula, comes here. We take and we fill this trough with water. One time. Hit start. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You're going to have one of the best, most consistent eggs you have ever tasted. So what it does, it is literally basting the egg on the bottom and steaming the top. When we first designed this, it was made so that it had a little texture into the bite for the bottom, but the top was still moist so that you didn't have just crunch. You were able to have a layer of flavor into the sandwich. The reveal. And then we see that's your crisp texture on your bottom. It's gonna be dark.
Stuck in there?
Yeah. So we have our bagel here and we have our completed eggs on top of the egg station. So typically to build a sandwich, there's a few ways I can do. Do you think about this, guys? You've got thousands of varieties of sandwiches you can make with this one type of machine. But also you've got to remember, this is a flat top. So I can retherm bacon on here. I can put sausage patties, sausage links, ham, whatever I can heat on the bottom. So if I'm making this particular sandwich, I'm going to take my honey ham, I'm going to lay it on there. So now I'm going to be able to get a little bit of color on that, a little bit of crispness on that. Then we would take our bread and we're going to go with a fig jam on the bottom. And on the top, we'll go with the balsamic glaze. Then we're going to do with some sliced Roma tomato. Some fresh spinach. Baby leaf spinach there. And we're going to take and flip our ham. And here's another neat little trick you can do with this thing too. You can literally remove the rack, go ahead and put your cheese right here, do the same little steam trick you did with the eggs, put the top down, put a little steam, melt your cheese right on top. So you can also put it as a melter as you're making your sandwich. So you still got that. So we're gonna put our egg here, and then we're gonna There you go, guys. Every day, all day long, day parts, breakfast, lunch, dinner, one piece of equipment, tabletop, hoodless, ventless, making as many sandwiches as you would like all day long.